In this video, I'll show you how to stream Netflix on Discord without getting a black screen. First, open your browser and go to Netflix, then sign into your account and start playing the video you want to stream. The black screen issue usually happens because of hardware acceleration, which blocks screen recording in some apps. Next, disable hardware acceleration in your browser. If you're using Google Chrome, go to Settings, then System. And turn off Use Hardware Acceleration when available, then restart the browser. If you're using another browser like Edge, the setting is similar. Now open Discord and go to User Settings. Scroll down to Advanced, then turn off hardware acceleration there as well. Restart Discord after making this change. After that, join a voice channel and click Screen Share. Instead of sharing your entire screen, select the browser window where Netflix is playing. This usually gives better results and avoids display issues. Make sure your stream quality settings are set properly depending on your internet speed. Once everything is set up, your Netflix stream should display normally without the black screen issue. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.